This tutorial will take you through some additional tools in Smart Notebook 10. This tutorial will cover shapes, shape recognition pen, the magic pen, and the highlighter. The first tool that we're going to be playing with is the shape tool. When you click on the shape tool, you have a bunch of different options that are available to you. Once you click on the shape, your cursor becomes a drag and drop feature that allows you to drag and drop different shapes that you'd like in Smart Notebook 10. Each of these shapes are also customizable based on the Properties tab. If you click on the Selector Tool and then on the Properties tab on the left, you can select any of the shapes and change them. You can do a fill effect. You could also change the line style and make the line thicker or thinner. You can change the color of the line, and you can also change the line style. Any of the shapes are customizable using these different features. They are also customizable by the size. If you can drag and drop the sides to make it larger or smaller. You can also rotate the shapes using the green button. The next tool over is the Shape Recognition Pen. Using the Shape Recognition Pen, you can do your best at drawing different shapes, and Smart Notebook will clean them up for you. Also, those shapes are available to be customized if you clicked on the Selector tool. You can move them wherever you'd like, and you can also use the Properties tab to fill them once they are selected. If you'd like to fill them, you select the shape, you click on Fill Effects, and then you can fill in that specific shape. The next tool that we're going to be talking about is the Magic Pen. And I'm going to go to another slide in our Smart Notebook file to show you about the Magic Pen. The Magic Pen has 3 different features that you can use. The first thing that you can do with the Magic Pen is you can write. And when you write, the text is disappearing ink. It will stay there for 10 seconds and then it will slowly disappear. The second property of the Magic Pen is a spotlight. When you draw a circle, the Magic Pen will automatically recognize it as a spotlight tool, and you can specifically show different parts of an image that you have. If you use the inside, you can make it smaller and larger of a spotlight. Use the red X to close. The last feature of the Magic Pen is a magnifying glass. If you draw a square using the Magic Pen, it will use it as a magnifying glass that you can move around to see a closer look at different specific parts of the image that you have. The last tool that we're going to be talking about is the highlighter tool, and I'll go to another page of our Smart Notebook file. The highlighter tool is located within the pens, and it's usually one of the last 2 colors, and it has a transparency to it. So if you're teaching using some text and you want to use the highlighter tool, it will clean it up a little bit for you, try to make the lines a little bit straighter as you go along. So to review, we used the Shape tool, the Shape Recognition tool, the 3 features of the Magic Pen, and the highlighter, most of them being customizable in the Properties tab.